Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Auto Luxury Vehicle. Today, we're diving into the highly anticipated BMW M2, a car that promises raw power, precise handling, and that unmistakable MDNA. Is this the ultimate driver's car? Let's find out. The BMW M2 takes boldness to a new level. Up front, we have the signature kidney grills, but this time, they're slightly larger and more refined for better cooling. Flared fenders give it a muscular stance, and those sleek LED headlights complete the aggressive front end. Around the back, you get a redesigned bumper, quad exhausts, and a subtle rear spoiler, all shouting performance. And just look at these wheels, forged alloys wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport tires. Under the hood, the M2 packs a 3.0-litre twin-turbocharged inline-6, pumping out a staggering 473 horsepower and 406 pounds-to-feet of torque. BMW offers both a 6-speed manual for the purists and an 8-speed automatic for those who want rapid shifts. 0-60, just 3.9 seconds with the auto. But it's not just about straight line speed. The M2 has an adaptive M suspension, an active differential, and a near-perfect weight distribution, making it an absolute beast on twisty roads. Step inside, and you're greeted with a cockpit designed for driving enthusiasts. The new curved iDrive 8.5 display dominates the dash, blending a 12.3-inch digital gauge cluster with a 14.9-inch touchscreen. The interface is sleek, fast, and packed with BMW's latest tech, including wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Harman Kardon sound system. The seats, carbon fiber bucket seats that hug you in all the right places, perfect for spirited driving. So, how does the M2 feel on the road? In one word, thrilling. The steering is razor sharp, the suspension is firm yet adaptable, and the exhaust note, pure symphony. BMW has fine-tuned the chassis to perfection, giving you confidence whether you're on the track or just enjoying a weekend drive. The manual transmission makes it an engaging experience, but the auto isn't far behind with lightning-fast shifts. Now, let's talk practicality. The M2 isn't just a track weapon, it's surprisingly usable. The rear seats are tight but manageable for short trips, and the trunk space is decent for a coupe. Fuel economy, not its strong suit, with around 19 mpg combined. But let's be honest, you're not buying this car for efficiency. Starting at around $65,000. The 2025 M2 sits in an interesting spot. It takes on rivals like the Porsche 718 Cayman GTS and the Audi RS5, but with its combination of power, handling, and driver engagement, the M2 remains a top contender in the segment. So, what's the verdict? The BMW M2 delivers everything you'd expect from an M car: a thrilling performance, aggressive styling, and an engaging driving experience. If you're a true driving enthusiast, this might just be the perfect car for you. But what do you think? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more epic car content. See you in the next one.